Affiliate marketing is becoming a more and more popular way to earn additional cash. By advertising items through referrals, it enables affiliates to earn money, and companies gain from the resulting sales. When making an online purchase, 63% of consumers between the ages of 18 and 34 place more faith in influencers than in brand ads. In light of this, the affiliate marketing sector is a fantastic source of extra income. This is becoming one of the best ways to make money online. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. An affiliate makes money by promoting the goods of a business. They search for a product they're interested in, promote it, and receive a cut of the revenue from each transaction. It utilizes the skills of multiple people for a more successful marketing approach while giving contributors a piece of the profit, since it works by dividing the responsibility of product promotion between parties. Three parts must be involved for this to work: the seller, the affiliate or advertiser, and the customer. Let's discuss it. Number 1. Have plenty of website traffic. Traffic and conversion of a website serve as the foundation for online marketing. The sole purpose of any marketing initiatives is to boost sales, and in order to do this online, your website must receive traffic that can result in a lead or sale. Therefore, it's important to be solely focused on generating a lot of quality visitors. The rate at which website users complete a certain outcome, such as making an inquiry or purchasing a product, is known as website conversion. Traffic and conversion rates are intertwined, and have a very significant impact on your bottom line. Without traffic and conversion, you can't make money. The goal of all effective internet marketing techniques is to attract quality visitors and then turn them into sales. Number 2. Look for an affiliate product that fits your niche. Knowing your niche is the first step in developing an affiliate marketing campaign. For your website or blog to succeed, selecting lucrative niches is crucial for the success of clients and purchasing the goods they want. A successful affiliate marketing website also thrives on trust. You will come across more convincingly to potential buyers as an authority by concentrating on a certain topic and constantly advertising goods from the same category. It may also assist you with creating a foundation of devoted customers. However, with so many goods and sectors to choose from, it can be challenging to pick the perfect affiliate marketing niche. Start off with one, get familiar with the operations, then pick a second affiliate partner. Number 3. Does it have good reviews? Make a choice on whether you will promote well-known products, lesser-known brands, or both. Remember, working with companies that provide high-quality goods can help you keep your audience happy, which raises the possibility of developing strong affiliate connections independent of brand awareness. You'll establish a solid reputation over time. They ought to aid you with increasing your marketing efforts, and improve audience engagement along with a strong affiliate strategy. Successfully promoting a subpar product might only hasten its demise, and would be bad for your reputation. Search online and read reviews if you are unsure of how well a company and its items appeal to customers. Monitor forums, discussion boards, the company's official website, review sites, Google reviews, and social media accounts for updates. It's easier to trust companies and their products if there's strong social media engagement, and a rise in active users. A high return rate, favorable ratings and reviews, are all positive indicators. We have articles on affiliate marketing in our blog, braylenav.com. Don't forget to visit us, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is also down below. Number 4. What is the program's commission? The foundation of affiliate marketing programs is commissions, which serve as an exchange for affiliates to promote a brand. The most common sort employed in affiliate programs are percentages, which are also known as pay per sale. Number 5. Know the cookie duration. The cookie length, which establishes how long your relationship with referred users is active once they click on the affiliate link, is an important consideration when examining affiliate programs. The affiliate benefits the longer the cookie life. Number 6. Does the affiliate have good customer support? The finest assistance is what your ideal affiliate marketing tool should provide. If you're not necessarily a digital professional, and want to make sure everything is done properly, technical help is a must. When you have access to this level of customer support, you can utilize all of the capabilities available, which helps to reach a high level of income. As a result, if you pay attention to this, your efforts at affiliate marketing will be a success. Number 7. Read the company's terms and conditions. The working connection between an affiliate and your website is outlined in an affiliate marketing agreement. This affiliate agreement makes sure that everyone is on the same page before doing business by outlining all the terms and restrictions. It's important to read this document, and understand what's required of you. If you don't understand it, hire a legal professional to go over it with you. Number 8. Apply for the affiliate program. When applying to an affiliate program, you'll be asked your name, email, and how you will promote the offer. This is why, in number 1, we talked about the importance of having medium to large website traffic. The more viewers that see your offer, the more likely someone will click on it, and turn into a customer. Number 9. Affiliate networks. Are you unsure of which affiliate program you should try first? Try affiliate networks. Affiliate networks serve as a marketplace, and offers a large number of brands than a single vendor product would offer. Because you don't have to handle as many relationships at once, this approach can appeal to affiliate marketers who are just starting out. Additionally, there is no restriction on the number of affiliate networks you can join, so the options and income potential are unlimited. Number 10. Connect the affiliate link to a website or blog. Once you're approved, you'll receive an affiliate link. Place this link on your blog or website. You'll receive payment for each viewer click, or percentage of a product sale, depending on the company agreement. The commission can be paid as a fixed sum, or as a percentage of the whole transaction. Number 11. Patience while you grow. Being patient is necessary for any form of progress, and creating a successful affiliate marketing campaign is no exception. It takes time for you as an affiliate to understand the best ways to promote a brand. This could take a few months in order to produce and publish content, and get better at calls to action. To make money as an affiliate, growth is a must, but it also takes some patience. Number 12. Look at profitability. One of affiliate marketing's allure is the ability to earn money online on a tight budget. You should think about a niche's ability to bring in money while selecting one. Many huge merchants and brands offer affiliate marketing programs with varying commission plans, so you need to pay attention to the specifics, and look for what's best for your website and viewers. Try to select items or brands with high commissions, to create more substantial profits. If this video was valuable, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more Millionaire videos for you.